In this episode of Valve House, we're going to be popping out the tail lights and having a look at the tail light gaskets to repair them, to stop that water building up in the wheel well. So I've just popped out the tail light, and as you can see, I've also taken the gasket out because building on the previous video, there's lots and lots of water leaks going on at the moment, so I'm trying to track them all down and fix them up. So here's the gasket here. It's sort of like a wetsuit material. It's very flexible. So we went to the local rubber shop and bought this same sort of material and a little bit thicker. So we're going to need to clean up that surface here so it can stick nicely, and then make a little template and cut it out. So I'm just going to trace the gasket here, and then I'm going to cut it out with some scissors. So I just cleaned up the surface where the tail light gasket is going to mount to, and as you can see, here's my DIY tail light gasket. It actually went really well. I pretty much got it perfect, so I'm gonna put it in now. Just grab some nuts, bolt the tail light back on. So I just finished making the second tail light gasket, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them together and then slap them back on the car. So I've put the tail lights back in. They're in nice and snug. So the forecast says it's meant to rain this over, so I'll park the car outside and see if she leaks. So I let the car sit out last night while it rained. As you can see, there's water still over the car, so I'm gonna pop the boot and see if there's any water in the bottom. Look at that, bone dry. Well, looks like that solves that. Now just to get into the ones in the interior. Thanks for watching this episode of Valve House.